friends, welcome to my channel Jingle. Today we can learn Billu the dog using Lapbook. Unit 1. Billu the dog. A farmer had a faithful dog called Billu. He was very old and had lost almost all his teeth. Picture description. What do you see in the picture? Goat, trees, house, spade, dog, fence, cat, vessels, grass, hen, calf, a bucket. Picture description. In this picture we can see a house. There is a hen. The hen is pecking some grains. There is a cat near the hen. A cow and a goat is there in the picture. There is a bucket near the goat. There is a fence and some vessels near the house. There is a spade also. Billu is lying in front of all of them. Billu. There was a farmer who had a dog. Billu was his name. There was a farmer who had a dog. Billu was his name. B-I-L-L-U, 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 and Billu was his name. This is farmer's pet dog Billu. Domestic animals. Which are the domestic animals? Dog, cat, cow, goat, hen, duck, fish, rabbit, parrot, sparrow, horse, squirrel. Farmer's house. Dog, cat, hen, cow, goat. What are the uses of these animals? Guard your house. I'm a dog, I can guard your house. I'm a cat, I can catch the rat. I'm a cat, I can catch the rat. I'm a hen, I can give you eggs. I'm a hen, I can give you eggs. I'm a god, I can give you milk. I'm a god, I can give you milk. How is Billu? He Poor Billu. This is Billu. He's very old. When dog become old, loses his teeth, become weak, loses hair, can't run fast. What is a farmer doing? This is the way I work in the field, work in the field, work in the field. This is the way I work in the field, work in the field, work in the field. This is the way I dig the ground, dig the ground, dig the ground. This is the way I dig the ground, dig the ground, dig the ground. This is the way I sow the seed, sow the seed, sow the seed. This is the way I sow the seed, sow the seed, sow the seed. This is the way I water the plants, water the plants, water the plants. This is the way I water the plants, water the plants, water the plants. This is the way I give you food, give you food, give you food. This is the way I give you food, give you food, give you food. This is the way I walk in the field, walk in the field, walk in the field. This is the way I work in the field, work in the field, work in the field. Do you all have grandmother? I have a grandmother. She walks with a stick. She can't see. She can't hear. She can't do any works in the house. One day I gave her some chips. Then she began to say, "No, no, no, my child. I don't want this." I felt sad. Seeing my sadness, she opened her mouth to me. There was not even a tooth. One day, farmer and his wife were saying something. What was they saying? Conversation between farmer and his wife. Farmer: I will throw Billu out. He is of no use. Wife: please don't let the poor creature live here. He has served us since he was a pup. Farmer: but he is too old to do anything now. The thieves aren't scared of him at all. Tomorrow shall be his last day with us. Who said this? I will throw him out. He is of no use. Farmer: please don't throw him out. He served us a lot. Wife: he became old. Tomorrow shall be his last day with us. Farmer: Billu heard conversation between farmer and his wife. Billu's thoughts: oh God, who will help me? What will I do? Where will I? Shall I tell my friends? Billu is very sad. He went to his friend for help. Billu heard what the farmer said. the evening, he went to the woods. He met his best friend, the fox. He told the fox what was going to happen. My friend. I have a friend. Her name is Frida. She is so cute. She is my best friend. One, two, three, four. 1, 2, 3, 4. E-I-E-I-O. E-I-E-I-O. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. E-I-E-I-O. E-I-E-I-O. Billu reaches the woods. Billu meets his friend. Billu's friend is fox. He tells him everything. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. E-I-E-I-O. E-I-E-I-O. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. E-I-E-I-O. E-I-E-I-O. Conversation between Fox and Billu. What happened to you? Why are you sad? Billu. My master is going to throw me out. Fox. Don't worry. I have got an idea. The fox told the idea to Billu. Billu. Okay, my dear friend. Thank you. Next day, early in the morning, the farmer went to the field with his wife. They took their baby with them. They laid the baby in the shade of a tree. While they walked, the old dog stood near the baby, watching it. Suddenly, the fox came out of the bush. It ran towards the baby, jumped at the baby. Help, help, save my child. Mother shouted. Oh my God! Father cried. Bow, bow, Billu barked. Suddenly, Billu attacked the fox and saved the baby. Farmer and his wife be happy to get their baby back.
Billu is our dear dog. I was stupid to think of throwing him out. Thank God, Billu saved our child. The farmer patted Billu affectionately. The mother was very happy to get her baby back. Dear, let's go home and give our Billu a good dinner.
The whole family lived together happily. The fox's idea came to a happy ending. This is the story of Billu the dog.